POC Auto 1472 presents the 2025 Audi 6 Rupees, a powerhouse that blends luxury, performance, and practicality like no other. This is not just a fast car, it's a statement on wheels. Let's talk about what makes the 6 Rupees special. Under the hood, there's a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out an incredible 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. That means a 0 to 60 time of just 3.3 seconds. Quattro all-wheel drive ensures all that power hits the road effectively, giving you grip and confidence in all conditions. The 8-speed automatic transmission is quick and precise, delivering seamless power whether you're cruising or pushing the car to its limits. The 6 Rupees isn't just about straight-line speed, it's built for performance in every way. Adaptive air suspension allows it to be both a comfortable daily driver and an aggressive track machine at the touch of a button. Rear-wheel steering improves handling, making this big wagon feel surprisingly nimble in tight corners. The brakes. Massive carbon ceramic options provide fade-free stopping power, a must for a car with this level of performance. Now, let's talk about design. The 2025 model has an even more aggressive stance, thanks to a wider body, sharper lines, and a bold front grille that screams performance. Audi's signature matrix LED headlights not only look futuristic but also adapt intelligently to the road. The rear features a sleek light strip connecting the taillights and, of course, those signature oval RS exhaust tips that let everyone know this is no ordinary Audi. Interior, it's pure Audi luxury with a sporty twist. Premium materials, carbon fiber trim, and RS-specific seats wrap you in comfort while reminding you that you're in something special. The latest MMI infotainment system comes with a high-resolution touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an immersive Bang & Olufsen sound system. Virtual Cockpit Plus puts all your performance data right in front of you, so you're always in control. One unique selling point of the 6 Rupees. It's the ultimate sleeper car. It has supercar performance wrapped in a practical, stylish wagon body. You get all the power, all the luxury, and still have enough space for family, luggage, or even a road trip with friends. It's a car that can do it all: daily drive, weekend fun, and even long-distance touring. That's the 2025 Audi 6 Rupees, raw power, cutting-edge tech, and everyday usability in one stunning package. What do you think of this beast? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to POC Auto 1472 for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.